welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another haul. Today's haul is going to include some clothes, some random stuff, some really exciting things. So I thought I'd try on the clothes first for you, show you what I got, and then I will show you all the other stuff in a sit down section. Also, I'm really sorry about the light. I'm working with sunlight and it's kind of like in and out today, so we're just gonna make do. But yeah, let me show you this first piece that I'm wearing. The first piece is this one that I'm wearing. So let me just adjust this tripod and I'll show you this piece. Okay, so this first piece that I'm wearing is a dress from Contempo. This dress was 275 rand and it's called the Career Regular Program Prog item. And then it says dress ivory. Let me just show it to you. It's in the size 22 and it's 275 bucks. It comes with a extra button if you lose yours. But how cute is this dress? I absolutely love it. And this price is normal price as you saw. I'm just wearing those what are they? The shapewear shorts from Woolies. But anyway, how beautiful is this dress? It is on the shorter side. It is above my knee. But I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's really easy to get on. The arms are really big cuts, so they're going to be comfortable for all sizes of arms. Okay, so these buttons are just for show. You can't unbutton them. But I love this print. It's a like, I don't know what you would call this. Almost like, it feels like it has holes or something in between. So it's very breathable material. Super comfortable. So nice. Like, I actually am obsessed. How nice is this though? Cute little work dress, maybe with a blazer or like an outing dress. It's from Contempo, in case I left that out. This is the only piece that I have from Contempo, and then the next two pieces are from Woolies. So let's try on the Woolies ones, but I love this. Okay, so like I said, the next two pieces are from Woolies. The first piece is this dress. How stunning. It's actually a swimsuit cover-up. Original price was $5.29. I got it for $3.30. I got them on sale just before all the shit hit the fan. Always had like a sale, and that's where I got these two pieces. Anyway, like I said, there's some cover-ups. Let me show you a close-up. So obviously you'd be wearing your swimsuit underneath. I'm just wearing those tights and my bra. But how pretty is this? Look at this detailing. Let me show you a close-up. It's like little, almost like rhinestones. So pretty. It goes all the way, and the chest area is just, it's so accommodating. And then it cinches in here by the waist. There is a belt. Yes. No. There are strings here, but they're not functional. So you can't adjust anything. You can't make it tighter. It is an elasticated waist. So naturally it'll cinch you in. And then it's got the slits on the side. Both sides. And this is how the back looks. It's so pretty, it's so flowy, it's just, I couldn't even, like, I have two of them. The other one is black, this one is white. They have different prints, but essentially they're the same thing. Not even essentially, they're exactly the same thing. So, how pretty. Obviously, when I bought this, I had my trip in mind that I'm supposed to take at the end of the year. but that's not happening anymore just because this year is screwed already. We'll probably just shift everything to next year. But yeah, I'm excited to wear this. I can't wait. It's so pretty. You can see it's like a tropical print. It's got lilies and like palm tree leaves. At least I think they are. They might be ferns. Anyway, super pretty, super cute. Let me show you the next one. Okay, so this next one is exactly the same as the previous one. It has the rhinestones over here. Such pretty detailing. This one is black with greens and blues. They're both in a size XXL, and they were both $3.30 from $5.26, $5.29. From $5.29, they both were reduced to $3.50. Initially, I saw this black one, and this is the one that I tried on, and I liked it. And then I tried on the white one, and I liked that one even more. But I couldn't decide which one to take. As you can see, the arms are pretty. They're pretty small, but they're forgiving. It's a XXL, so there's space in there. Again, the waist is elasticated, and they have the string here, which you can tie for show, but it's exactly the same as the previous one. It's got the 2 slits on the side. Super tropical, very nice, easy breezy, you know, so pretty. I'm obsessed. And they're both the perfect length. They literally just touch the floor on me. Obviously you can hold this elastic up, but there's only so much you could do. But yeah, they're the perfect length for me. I'm obsessed. And here's this print. This one has, it's not exactly the same as the other one. So pretty. Okay, so I just changed into this crop top really quickly. I've hauled it before. It was part of my athleisure haul. I'll link it at the end maybe if I remember. But okay, so the other stuff that I got. So we went to a fabric shop and I got these knitting rods. What would you call them? I got these knitting sticks, and then I also bought 4 of these. Those were $35. And I also bought 4 of these. They're so soft. They feel like wool. So nice little what is this, yarn from this brand, and they were $45 each. And we just went there so that we could buy stuff to keep ourselves busy over the next 20 days now. Yeah, maybe we'll get into knitting. Hopefully we will at some point here. The exciting part of this video, and the most expensive, is this bag right here. Okay, so I went to the store, this one. It's called the Digital Experience. It's in Four Ways Crossing, which is the mall right across from the main mall. And I bought 2 cameras on the Tuesday before the lockdown. Was it the Tuesday? No, it was a Wednesday. It was the 25th of March. I went to go get these 2 cameras. I've been saving up. Gosh, last year, the whole year, I was saving up. But I was saving about like 200, like 300, you know, very lacklustery. And every time I would want something, I would just take from those savings and buy, like my headboard, my pedestals. I would just take from my savings. And then at the end of the year last year, we decided we wanted to go to Bali at the end of the year this year. And so we were saving up for that, and that started my aggressive savings. I was saving 500 Rand a week, I think it was closer to the end of the year, around November, December, I started saving 500 rand a week. And then this year, at the beginning of this year, I got a job at my university, and then I started saving my salary. So I would put my entire salary into my savings. I did that twice. The first one I had to, you know, give my mom and my dad, you know, that like salary splitting thing that you do, like you give your mom and your dad your first paycheck. So I had to do that. So I saved 2 salaries after that. Plus I did my Tupperware assignment, and all the profits that I made from that went into my savings. And so on the 25th of March, my total savings were just over 18,000 rand. And so I initially was gonna buy one camera. It was the Sony A6400, and that one cost 18.6. And then I was like, but I really wanted a Canon camera because the colors on the Canon look so good. So I really didn't know which one to buy, and the week of the 25th, I came up with the brilliant idea to buy 2 cameras, just less up to date than that one. So the first camera that I got was the Canon M50, and this one really, I struggled to make this decision. I'm filming on it right now, that's why I can't really show you, but I'll do like a little b-roll for you. But anyway, I really struggled with this decision because I really wanted the G7X. Because going from my phone to the G7X made more sense than going from my phone to this one, just because of the size of this one and the size of the G7X. That transition would have been a smoother one than this one, because this one is quite the change of pace here. But anyway, realistically, the G7X costs exactly the same as this one. I got this one on promotion. This one original price is about 9,895 or something. I got this one for 8,995, and from the store the original price for this one was 11,998 or something, and then from Macro it was about 9,800, so it was around 10,000 rand. So this one was the cheapest one at the store, and for the G7X it was just 1,000 rand less than this one. So that price difference just didn't make sense, just for like comfortability and the size, like being comfortable in public, and the size of the G7X. It just didn't make sense because the G7X doesn't have an external mic port and this one does. What else? There's a ton of things. This one has interchangeable lenses, so I can buy different lenses and create different cinematic shots with it. This one just gives me more room to grow, basically. So that's why I got this one. The M50, it comes with the kit lens, which is the one that's on it. There it is right there. Show you. And I got it for 8,995. And then so originally I wanted a Sony, and then I liked the colors of the Canon, so I wanted a Canon as well. And so I decided, instead of getting the expensive Sony one camera, I would get the latest, I would get a Canon vlogging camera, then a Sony camera for taking photos of my makeup and stuff like that. So I decided to get 2 cameras, and so I also got the Sony A5100. Here you go. This was a promotional bundle. It is the camera. It comes with the kit lens plus an extra zoom lens. This is the 55 to 210 millimeter lens. There it is right there. I haven't taken it out of the box, the big lens. I'm probably not going to use it much. it's just, I needed the Canon because of the colors, and so I'm really glad that I got to, you know, I got to that decision where I was like, I'll get 2 instead of 1 really expensive one. So the Sony was also on promotion, and it was $8,995 as well. So I spent a total of about just shy of 18,000 Rand at the digital experience, and my initial goal was 18.6 with the Sony, so I feel like that was pretty good. I did pretty good. I saved a couple of bucks, and yeah, I'm really happy with my choice. Now I can't decide which one I'm gonna vlog with, because initially this one was gonna be for vlogging, and then the other one was gonna be for photos, but I really like this one for makeup videos and stuff like that, and it's a lot heavier than this one. Oh, let me show you. I can show you the Sony because I'm not filming on it, but this is the Sony. It's real cute, it's real dainty, and it has the flip up screen like the G7X. It's not too heavy, and the footage is pretty good. So I don't know which one I'm gonna vlog with. This one is bigger than that one, and it's a lot heavier. Not a lot, like a little bit heavier than that one. So I'll have to decide. I'm still kind of playing with them. Maybe this one will be my sit down videos camera, and then that one will be my vlogging one. I'm not sure yet, but I love this one, the fully articulating screen. It's such a nice camera. I was really excited to get it. So yeah, that is everything that I got in this super expensive haul. That's what I'm gonna title it, like my 19,000 Rand haul or something like that, because I spent just shy of 19 grand with all of these things. The 2 cameras were 18, and then the 2 dresses were 600, and then the other dress was about 800. So just shy of 19 grand. That's why that's in the title, if that's in the title. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.